Okay, guys, trying to get home. During these amateur fishing and adventures, there's always something that gets in the way. So this is what we got to deal with. This is floodwater.
Yeah, it sucks.
Yep. So here we are trying to get home, and they got to clear a bridge, and we've gone. So far, we've gone about 3 different ways to try and beat it. No luck yet. At this stage, we could be sitting here for a couple of hours and then just hope the bridge is safe for people to drive over. And if it's not, well, there's nothing we can do about it. So, from a holiday that just keeps getting longer and longer, all I can say is peace out and talk to you soon. Bye.